purchase some hats. Bless you.
Thank you.
You want the wizard hat, right?
Yes.
I
am, after all, a wizard, you know.
You are a wizard.
I like Bing Bong Airways.
Did you know that during my time of streaming, I've only sneezed maybe like 3 times. Chatty's plotting for my demise and waiting for the
you
time.
Don't sneeze. I know.
No, that's when I.
I know you don't
no,
sneeze.
No, bless you, Mary, bless you, bless you.
So dog, I mean, there's this funny thing which I started noticing at some point. Like, I've known you, like, we've streamed together for so many years since both of us started streaming, essentially. And at some point I realized Lumi doesn't say bless you when I sneeze. She's never said bless you. She doesn't do it. And then I asked her one day, it was like last year or something. One day I asked Lumi, Lumi, how come you don't ever say bless you when I sneeze? Why don't you do it? And her answer is like, I will never forget her answer. I'll never forget Lumi's answer. Her answer is, I don't sneeze. Okay, so let me get this right. I needed a moment to think about that when I heard it. So it's like, okay, Lumi doesn't sneeze, therefore I don't get a bless you. Somehow those two are connected. No, it's okay, it's funny.